Hello guys, I'm Sohan and today we are gonna be making cables in Blender. So what you wanna do is get into edit preferences, search for extra objects and you wanna tick both of those boxes and save preferences. Close this box, delete the default cube, shift A, mesh and then single word. So you wanna add in a single word, click one and then extrude this out. Extrude a bit more times so that it actually works. You're done about 4 times. When you're done extruding, extrude on the x-axis. This is just a demonstration, you can tweak your axes. Next you wanna extrude 4 more times. So I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna do shift R. Select these two words, right click, subdivide. The more you do, the better it is. I'm gonna go 32 just because it's smoother and real time. Afterwards, select these 4 and these 4. You have selected both these groups and then get into object properties, vertex groups, create a new group, double click on it and call it pin group. So yeah, assign just to be sure, select, deselect. Yeah, so we have done that. Get into physics properties and select cloth. So as you can see, our thing or cable, I may say, it's falling and that's not good. So you wanna get into shape in group. So now it's simulating itself and we're done. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm just kidding, we are gonna make it move. So tab into edit mode and then you wanna select these, or just to be sure, get in here, deselect all and then click select on the spin group and then deselect these. And now F3, hook new object. You should type in hook new object and hook it. Things should go squiggles, don't really worry. Select it again and do the same for the other side. Select, deselect this, F3, hook to new object. You're gonna hook it and now we should be able to move it, but as you can see we cannot, and that's because of the modifier stacks. You wanna select our wire or cable and then select this cloth modifier and put it at the very bottom. Drag it to the very bottom. I'm using Blender 2.92. If you are using 2.8 or any versions of 2.8, you will have arrows over here to go up or down. So you want to use those and bring cloth to the bottom. So now when you are going to play, I'll just give us a bunch of frames. Play, you can see our cloth is simulating or our wire is simulating pretty well. So now that we have got ourselves a good simulation, we need a wire. So we get into modifier stack, select this object or word which we could rename as wire for now, and then in the modifiers or wrench, search for skin. It should be in generate skin over here. Now it looks weird, I know. So tab into edit mode, click A and go Control A. That will make your wires thinner. So something about that looks good to me. We might as well add in a subdivision surface to make the wire more, well, let's say wire-like, right? So now that we have done that, we could play and we got a nice simulating wire. You could animate this with auto keyframes and whatnot. But yeah, that's the video. So now for demonstration, we are going to delete all of this, or actually select this M new collection and call this wire. Okay, so I've gone ahead and made another scene in Blender. So we're just gonna do what we did before. Get into mesh, single word, add in a new word. Tab out of edit mode, select it, move it all the way up to this pole and position it correctly. So we have done that right there, and now tab back into edit mode, E a bunch of times, or actually E just a single time, and then we see these two, right click, subdivide value. I'm gonna go with 64 this time, or maybe even 120. Okay, so I've done that, and now I'm just gonna select this and this, get into geometry, vertex group. So as you can see, our wires look a bit overstretched or a bit too big. So I guess we're just gonna add in stiffness. Okay, so I did something. I don't know what I did, but I got it to look pretty good. So you wanna copy these exact settings. I'll give you a screenshot. It would be right somewhere here on the screen. So you wanna copy those. So now that we have done that, we are gonna add skin. as you can see, after some more irritation, I have finally completed it. So now we could just give it a nice little mixture. Select any one of those texture, black. I've seen mostly black ones that do. And we'll make it metallic because why not? Select all the other three, select that, Control L, and materials. Okay, so that wraps this tutorial up, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.